Hello everyone! We are now in Xi'an. When we got to Xi'an, it was 8 a.m. When we reached the subway, hindi kami makasakay. 8 a.m. rush hour, punong-puno. So, no choice, we took the cab. When we reached our hotel, feeling ko ito na yung pinakasulit na hotel. We spent around 2,000 per night, but that hotel also has laundry, like the first one. Allowed us early check-in. Free afternoon tea. Yung afternoon tea niya, may pastries, may, may fruits, may cookies. Parang afternoon tea talaga. I also enjoyed this hotel most because paglabas mo ng hotel, there's an escalator going down. If you take a look at the map, we are now in the underpass. See? Where did we come from? Liu Hao. Okay? So we came from here, and we're now, we went under, and we're now here. And then just walk a few meters, nandiyan yung bell tower. And then walk a few more meters, nandiyan yung subway station going to other parts of Xi'an.
We are now at the bell tower, and our hotel is just there. See? Look in my phone. It's this one.
Furthermore, there's a drum tower, there's a Muslim quarter. Parang everything is there na. So, enjoy talaga and sulit, di ba? We only stayed here for 2 nights. That's why we didn't bother unpacking. We just left our things in the room and went out and explored the bell tower. We are now on top of the bell tower. Akala namin may show, but it's a museum. And look! These are ancient writings, right? If you look at the intricate details of this bell tower, everything here is made of wood and there are no nails. Okay? They didn't use any nails. And then the drum tower. We're going to that building right across us. And then had our lunch in Muslim quarter. We ordered their delicacy, the pian pian mian or something, tan tan mian. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but it's like little breads that cut into small pieces, put in the soup, and of course the yummy lamb skewer. Parang sobrang sarap. 10 RMB per stick. And look at the stick that they use. Authentic.
Yes, yay!
Yun, ano pa ba? Oh, their hamburger. Hamburger for me is so normal. Parang beef that you put inside a bun. Ganon. Beef ba yun or ano? Beef ba yun or lamb? I don't know. Sometimes I get mixed with the meat that they feed us because sometimes they'll tell me, oh, this is duck. But if you look at it, it looks like pork. Pero when you taste it, duck nga. Kasi maitim di ba? Or sometimes the meat looks red. Tapos sabihin nila, oh, that's chicken. Talaga? Bakit parang sanay ako na puti ang chicken? Things like that. Sky and I shopped around Muslim quarter. I enjoyed this part because Sky would really talk with strangers and ask the prices of the stuff, negotiate for a cheaper price, and things like that. And wala lang, parang napapractice yung Chinese.
我很喜欢这个。
这个，
然后我可以刻我的名字。
我给大人家都不便宜，我给你小朋友都很便宜了啊，是35块45块最低的，再不能少了，是吧？可以吗？
Nakakatuwa din kasi the people here are so nice. They're not bothered at all that you kept on asking and asking even when you're not buying stuff or you're just browsing casually. Hindi sila yung parang, ay, hindi ka naman bibili, umalis ka dyan. Hindi sila ganun. They like, oh, sige, go ahead. And even if you see you don't wanna buy, it's okay, you just look. And ganun sila. So I really enjoyed that part. And then, after that, we went back to the hotel. Afternoon tea. After our afternoon tea, we rested. But, when we woke up, it was so late already. So, we didn't have time to go and visit the fortifications of Xi'an. Ang sabi sa site is it's until 10. When we got there, it was 9 p.m. pa lang. So, kala namin we can still go and walk around the wall, di ba? But, may event yata sila that they closed the wall. So, yun. And because of that, we couldn't visit. And again, we were only staying at Xi'an for 2 nights. So, wala. Hindi namin napuntan, hanggang labas lang kami. Sad. Anyway, okay lang din naman kasi even if we were up there, the kids wouldn't be able to ride bikes like what we did 9 years ago. Yun naman usually ginagawa. You go up to the wall, take a look at the view, feel the wall, and then ride the bike around the city wall. Imagine doing that on the most preserved wall, ancient wall of China. It will be an experience. And then dinner. We found the Hong Kong restaurant and ate Cantonese food because we missed rice so much. In Beijing, siguro we haven't eaten any rice meal at all. Ano to? Tasho with rice. Oh, yan na. Chicken with rice. Oh, yan na. So yun, naka-rice kami. Parang, finally. The next morning, we toured the Terracotta Warrior. So that is actually why people go to Xi'an. Okay, the Terracotta Warriors and Horses, officially named Emperor Qin Shi Huang Mausoleum Sites Museum. I booked a Chinese tour. So the tour guide is Chinese and everybody who are with us are all Chinese tourists and most of them can understand Chinese. So for us, it wasn't that much of a problem. It's really big help if you know Chinese when you're in China. This is our second time joining a tour group in China. Guide called us a day before to confirm where we are because this tour, ang maganda sa kanya is they're supposed to fetch us in our hotel and then tour us not just in the mausoleum but in also different parts. Buffet, lunch included. This is such a good deal. We just paid 3,940 for the 4 of us to do the tour of Terracotta Warriors, the bus, the lunch, and then may Huaqing Palace pa siya. When we got to the bus, and then nakaupo na kaming lahat, the tour guide started talking about the tour.
马俑会让你们有一个全面的了解。那么来西安的话，它不仅仅是景区，它还有当地的小吃。
They're not boasting about any sights or any beautiful view. Wala daw silang ganun. What Xi'an is boasting of is history. So when you go there, it's history. History, history, history. All the sites are about history. Tapos sabi pa niya, at doon ko lang din nalaman na it doesn't matter what time of year or what time of the week, parati raw silang may tourists. So I was so surprised when we reached Terracotta. We were like weekday, tas hindi pa holiday. Sobrang daming tao. As in, sobrang daming tour group, sobrang daming tao na nagsisiksikan yung mga tao just to see the Terracotta Warriors. Dito, medyo na-stress kami kasi we need to keep up with the pace of the group. Diba? Parati nga kami nahuhuli. It's like, nasa na sila? One thing that we did there was we rented a stroller for rain. 30 RMB for the whole day's use. Pagdating doon, observe lang, loko-loko lang ng konti. Ito hindi masyado na-enjoy ni Phil. Kasi, number 1, we've been there before. Number 2, daming tao. By parts.
And then they stick them together.
Yes, and they sort it, and then they put it together. After that, they brought us to our dining place. Finally, we can eat! Okay, and it's buffet! And it's part of the package! Wow, sulit! But when we got there, true, it's buffet. True, it's part of the package. Pero puros gulay. As in, yung buffet niya, may rice and rice. Okay? Tapos ito, gulay number 1, gulay number 2, gulay number 3, gulay number 4. And then, most of them, spicy. Most of them are spicy pa. And, my kids do not eat spicy. Phil doesn't enjoy spicy food. So, wala. But buti na lang, I'm telling you, I brought lots of snacks, okay? And you know, in China, their snacks are not just limited to chips and cookies. This saves our lives. And that, and that, and that. Kasi everything here is la. La, 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 la. Ulam number 1! Ulam number 2! Okay, so we just ate the rice and, you know, gulay. And then, the kids had ulam. No? So yun, panalo pa rin. No?
Best meal ever.
Oh, after the lunch place, we went to Huaching Palace. That's their bathing area. So may mga different pools and hot springs doon where the emperors bathe. Meron pa siyang sauna area. Meron din doon mga pools for the favorite concubine. Ganon, okay? That part, hindi namin masyadong ma-enjoy din. Kasi we're with a tour group. Although they're explaining to us, each one of us has an in-ear headphone. Tapos, you know, the tour guide can speak calmly and explain everything that's going on. Pero madaming tao and mainit. So, you know, Rain and Phil. Si Sky, sumusunod-sunod pa with me. Pero even us both, parang ayaw namin ng ganun. Parang, yung after here, one look, a few explanations, then you go to the next. Explain, go to the next. Hindi kami ganun. And then finally, we have to pay extra to ride the cable car up to Lishan, the mountain right beside Huaching Palace. Okay? But kami, sabi namin, we won't go na. Kasi we're fine, you know, exploring on our own. So that's when we started having fun. We just sat around, ate ice cream, picture, ganun. Very, very chill. And that's when we enjoyed it. After that, we took the bus again. We went to the Terracotta Warriors show. Initially, pinag-iisipan na namin doon ni Phil. Sinabi ko na sa kanya, we will not buy any shows ha. Kasi it's really not part of our budget. 290 per person, each show. And in that particular tour, there are 2 shows. So ano yun, 600 RMB per person. Tapos, ilan kami? 4, sabi mong libre si Rain, and the 3, we really had no plans watching. But ito na naman, nabudol na naman ako. Sabi ng tour guide, this tour, may kasamang show. So, if you don't watch the show, what will happen to you? Iwan ka lang. Sa labas ka lang. Hindi ka rin pwede magstay sa car kasi mainit, ipapatay yung car. A deal, 290 per person. But I can give you a discount. If you get 2 shows, 450. And if you want a good seat, just add 30. So you get good seat, 480 per person. Siyempre, kung 30 lang naman ang difference, you go for the good seat na. Why will I spend almost 1,500 RMB for that? Okay, kain na lang namin. Sinabi ko din sa tour guide, sorry kung pwede sana, kung libre si Sky. Pwede pa, we can consider 960 for the 4 of us. Pwede na, for 2 shows pa. Sige. Pandungin niyo na lang si Sky. Tapos pag hindi kayo makapasok, just call us. So we agreed to watch the show already. So the first show was about the Terracotta Warriors, how the story came about, and it focused on a family with 3 brothers. Okay, so brother 1, brother 2, brother 3. So the scene was, brother 1, medyo lampa. Si brother 2 just got married. Si brother 3, 16 years old, very, very young. On the day of second brother's wedding, an edict came out drafting them to war. Okay, and each family must provide 2 people to go to war. The first brother can't go because nga, lampa-lampa. The second brother can't go kasi kakakasal lang. The third brother can't go kasi too young. Sabi ni third brother, pag may sign, it means that I should go with second brother. And that really happened. The first brother was left. And the second and the third brother went to war. Fought valiantly. And eventually, they all died. And when they died, the story goes like this. When they died, this brother, to remember the other 2 brothers, created sculptures of the brothers very lifelike sculptures of the brothers. And the emperor decided to remember all the warriors who died by crafting the same thing. So, if you've noticed, when you go to the terracotta warrior, each soldier there has their own hairstyle, own facial expression, own height. Not a single one is alike. And because of that, they want to be remembered forever. This is a fictional story, obviously, but there is a semblance of truth because there were really archaeological evidence that these brothers existed. That was by the letters that they sent to each other. Then when they dug up, the stuff, nahanap sa bahay nung eldest brother that they were sending letters back and forth. I was watching the show and I kept on crying. And you know what's even more fantastic? It was an interactive show. Papasok ka sa isang lugar. They'll close everything off. And then suddenly, this actor warrior will come in. And say, the gates are now open. Tapos bubukas yung gate, di ba? And then the crowd will join. And papasok sila lahat sa loob. And then watch something here. The lights will turn off. Bukas yung pinto sa kabila. And all will go there and find their seats. And then after watching this scene happening here, travel to the next one and see the emperor dictate. So para kang nag-journey with them. And then went to the battle scene. And then after the battle ends, you go inside naman. Basta ganon. It was so worth it. And all the more if you understand a bit of Chinese, you'll really appreciate it some more. If you don't understand Chinese much, you'll just be wowed with the effects. Medyo meaningless yung story kasi OA sila mag-act. For example, ganito sila huminga. Ganon, as in, hinga lang yun hindi siya namamatay Or yung kunwari, magsasalita siya, I will do this. So, okay. So, OA kung sa OA. But, again, is to reach the person at the back. Where I will go there. Yung ganon, as in, sobrang funny. I was so touched. Then, nagpa-picture pa kami with the two leads, the two brothers, after the show. Gwapo pala sila. On to the next show. If you're not watching the two shows, either you wait for everybody to be done or find your own ride back to the city. In this show, si Sky, tutol na for the free ticket. So, we had to call the tour guide and the tour guide provided another ticket for her. When she needed an extra ticket, since the tour company agreed to shoulder her fee, they were responsible enough to provide an extra ticket for Sky. Feeling ko nakasulit talaga ako. The next show naman, pagod na si Rain sa si Sky. So they took mini naps lang in the car. Pero pagdating doon, ang ganda-ganda ng place. Romantic Xi'an, or I think that's the name of the show. The place is very touristy. After exploring for 1 hour, we went inside to watch the show. Now this time, 1 ticket per person. Sky was given a seat. Rain sat on Phil's lap. The show was so nice again and so worth it. It was dancing and movements and special effects. And it talked about how Xi'an was formed. From caveman yata yun up to the present day. Nagkaroon siya ng Muslim influence. Nagkaroon siya ng Indian influence. The Silk Road. Oh! Did I tell you? There were animals also in the show. Camels and horses. They were so technologically advanced na for them siguro cheap lang to. This is something that I won't see in the Philippines anytime soon. And you know what? This time I didn't cry. Si Rain yung umiyak! Rain cried because there were people who died in the show and he felt bad about it. After those 2 shows, we now took bus again to Tang City. Tang City is a big complex called Everbright City, awake the entire night. Pagod na kami. So, guess kung saan yung bagsak namin? Yeah, KFC. we just got our KFC meal. I just ordered via my app. The next day, we had to go and catch our train. Our train was 11. It was a very comfortable 3-hour ride. Feels ng plane, pero mas malaki yung legroom. Okay. Wow. 卫生间2件 ，OK。And then 我们的东西可以放在上面 ，just like a plane. Not allowed to smoke. We're going to Chengdu.